Day 1 as a poultry farmer.
It's almost 18 hours since we brought our day old chicks, and you learn, unlearn, and relearn. So I realized that their drinkers are way too big for them. I was using the 10 liters, and I realized they just get into the water and it makes them wet and more, cold. So we've got the 3 liters. We are gonna, introduce them to the 3 liters and see how that goes.
Adding glucose to the water to boost energy and support healthy growth.
We are introducing them to the 3 liters drinker.
Follow and join our journey.